What's up, 3 gang? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Now, your boy may or may not have made a boo-boo. A $600 boo-boo. Now, this is going to be more of a story time type of video than a video. Pardon my bad manners, but you know, we're at Acura and we're drinking dealership coffee today. Never the best coffee to drink, but it is what it is. Now, a lot of you guys know that I drive a 2005 Acura TSX, and if you guys just see me looking all over the place, it's just random people walking by looking at me like I'm crazy, talking to myself, because you guys are in a spot where I'll show you. You guys are sitting here and you can't see nothing over here, but yeah, I have a 2005 Acura TSX, and I'm also an Amazon delivery driver, which means that I visit over 100 homes every single day. Look at my face. Every single day we go to over 100 homes, right? Yesterday about halfway through the shift, my keys are usually on my side in my belt because I have a pocket knife that just hooks on and goes in my pants. So it's almost impossible for you to lose the keys unless the key ring is popped off. Now, yesterday about halfway throughout the shift, I randomly tapped my side and there were no keys. No keys. I'm distracted by this. What the hell is this? Looks like an air filter, but it very well might not be. Wait, halfway throughout the day, I can't feel my keys anymore. So this keys has my house keys, my car keys, my P.O. box keys. By the way, if you guys want to send me stuff in my P.O. box, it's P.O. Box 454, Orange, New Jersey, 07051. You guys could send me whatever you feel like. But I lost the P.O. box key, I lost the house keys, and I lost the car keys. That's the car keys alone is gonna cost me an arm and a leg. The house keys, I could still get in and out the house and in and out my room because I have spare keys laying around the house. So the house keys isn't the problem, it's the car keys right now. Mind you, I just recently bought new keys for the car. So that means that the keys that I lost were no more than 6 months old. Bro, I say I'm livid. Anyways, we let that slide, you know, go on. Then I had to pay to tow the car here, bro. You just see the stress all over my face. So then I had to tow to get the car here. I would low-key want to give you guys a walk around, but I feel like they're gonna have a problem with me filming inside. They have some new Acuras in here. Nothing that you guys haven't seen out in the public. I wanted to get a loaner car so I could give you guys a video, but he said my car would have to be here for 3 hours and it's only going to be here for an hour and a half at most. So they're like, yeah, nah, that's the hat, man. Try to finesse it at an appointment. You know how it is. We try to get it to you guys no matter what, but they said no. I hope you guys could hear me, because then this video would serve zero purpose. But yeah, that was knock on wood that you guys could hear me. But let's just hope that they could get the car key done today with no hiccups, no problems at all, and that right there would be lovely. I don't gangbang, but you know, this would be lovely. I had to come in with ID I had to come in with my title. I had to come in here with all that stuff with proof of registration. The moral of the story is don't lose your keys, because it's gonna be a pain in the rear end to get back. I wanted to film the whole process of getting the car here, but it's snowing outside, and you know, your boy anemic. My fingers are still frozen. I don't know. Look at me. You can see. I'm pretty sure you can see a discoloration in my hand between my fingers and my palms. Like my fingers, like the tips look a lot. Like look at these fingertips versus this one. This one you can see, like you can see, there's blood in there flowing. This one, it looks more pale. Like there's absolutely no blood flow. But I'm deviating from the topic. As you guys can see here, I'm trying to make up for some more minutes. I'm already at 6. We're trying to get to 8. But yeah, I'm gonna try to give you guys a walk around in the dealership, take a look at some of the cars that's here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to just randomly sit in cars like you would pre-COVID, but you know, if I try to walk up to a car and sit in it and they say nah, then obviously you guys ain't gonna see that. But if you guys see that I'm in a car and in the next clip, then it worked. But if it didn't, thank you guys for sitting and watching me rant. Oh guys, also this is an update video too. I haven't been posting in a while. I've made a couple of videos lately working on the car, and those videos required me to wear the camera strapped to my body. 2 of the 3 videos I filmed, the camera positions were completely messed up. Like you couldn't see anything through it, so it defeated the purpose. Now the second video I made, the file got corrupted while editing, so all that stuff is also out the way. And now I made a third video, but it's just not, it didn't have the energy that I wanted in the video in it, so I scrapped it. Now let's see if you guys could even hear me wearing this mask. And yeah, but that's why I haven't been posting, guys. Thank you guys for coming back for another video. Thank you guys for continuing to support me even during this pandemic. I appreciate all you guys, everybody that ever clicked on a video. I really appreciate you more than you will ever know. And peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.